Hi guys, this is Shruti. Today I'm going to tell you a DIY sofa makeover. I recently purchased this sofa, which I got it from a thrift store, and what I can see is that it is completely ripped off. So I just want to do a makeover, and I got some blankets from the thrift store, and I have some old bed sheets, and I'll tell you how I'll do a makeover with this one without sewing. So here we are. You'll see that I'll just put this sofa, the blanket on the back side of the cover, as I cannot remove the seats, so I'm going to do two separate fabric. So the blankets would go, you can just tuck them inside. Then comes the bed sheet, which I have. It's a ripped off bed sheet, and I'll just place it on the sofa seats. I'm going to just tuck them inside. And just neatly on the edges. You can tuck them even on these edges to make it a fine look. So you can see all the tears have been hidden and it's well done. Beauty to the sofa, and it looks perfect.